Hello, this is Paramjit Singh. Thank you once again for stopping by. Today I'm going to briefly talk to you about something which may be of interest to you or your extended circle of friends and family. And this is about adding some tools to recover sooner and faster and stronger from the COVID experience. So as we know that COVID experience impact the body in a very peculiar way on the lungs and the physical ability of the body. There's a very interesting study published recently in the Journal of Clinical Rehabilitation in the context of COPD patients. Now, COPD is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease which impact the lungs, and individuals often complain about wheezing, coughing, and they have a difficulty doing any kind of physical exertion or physical activity. So even though the COVID experience is not the same as the COPD, but there's a one remarkable similarity between the both because they both impact lungs, our breathing capability and capacity. So maybe there will be a use to bringing some of that wisdom from that or some of the study clues from that research study into the recovery process in the context of the COVID experience. So what they did was that they taught individuals suffering from COPD 35 minutes of mindful walking, which consisted of 5 minutes of meditation, then 5 minutes of stretching, 20 minutes of mindful walking, and 5 minutes of cooling down. And what they found that within 8 weeks of doing this 5 times a week, the ability of individuals to walk distance went up by 29 meters, which according to authors was a significant or clinically significant in itself. And the individuals who didn't go through the program, their ability to walk went down by 8 meters. Though there's a limitation to the study, it did not have active control, but we can still pick up some very important clues to add to the recovery mechanism of someone coming out of the COVID experience. And that is that if you add gentle breathing and mindful walking into the recovery process, that might help someone recovering faster and stronger than with just the standard care. You add few breathing techniques, learn it from someone who knows it well, do it very safely, follow your physician's instructions, keep him or her in the loop, and then that might help you actually recover from the experience much sooner and much stronger than you will simply do the standard care. So test drive these ideas, learn these techniques, introduce into your life gently, safely, because considering that you're coming out of a major intense event, so you have to be extra careful in the terms of taking care of the body and the lungs, and then learn it well, do its baby steps, and then see where it takes you. That might add an extra tool to your recovery process. It might also bring down the psychological distress because we know that breathing has a way of working with our mental condition and psychological well-being. So try these, test drive, do it safely, keep your physician in the loop, and that might help you actually recover faster and sooner and stronger. If you like this video and if you find these tips useful, kindly subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate your support. In the meantime, stay safe and well.